Economists typically begin analysis of firm behavior by assuming that firms maximize profit. Profit is the difference between total revenue and total cost, where total revenue is price times quantity, and total cost can be calculated as average total cost times quantity. Economists begin their analysis of how firms behave by assuming that firms maximize profit for four reasons. First, the assumption is logical. The assumption is logical because owners have an incentive to maximize profit. Owners receive profit as income, dividends, or retained earnings. Since the owners receive it, they would like to maximize it. Moreover, owners have, at least in theory, the ability to dictate the actions of the firm. Owners of small firms are usually heavily engaged in the decision-making at their firms. Shareholders own large corporations. They have the ability to vote to replace the board of directors if they believe the firm is not acting in their best interest. Now, whether shareholders are really in charge is an area for active research. Since owners can dictate the action of the firm and have an incentive to maximize profit, we begin by assuming that the firm maximizes profit. Perhaps more importantly, the assumption leads to accurate predictions. Economists don't really believe that all firms everywhere are always maximizing profit. They do believe that they can predict the qualitative responses of firms to changes in the environment by assuming that firms do maximize profit. For example, we predict that a firm will increase price and quantity when the demand it faces increases because that is what a profit-maximizing firm would do. Empirical evidence confirms that firms do in fact typically increase price and quantity when the demand it faces increases. Therefore, the assumption helps economists achieve one of the two overarching goals in economics: to predict. Third, the analysis identifies how owners can identify whether or not the firm is maximizing profit. So, is the firm maximizing profit? I'll shorten that to MAX. It's a question that owners would like to answer, and our analysis will help give them the answer. And finally, if they find the answer is no, the analysis identifies changes the owners can implement to increase profit when they learn the firm is not maximizing profit. How can I increase?